Welcome to the video demo, working with branches using Git Commands. In this video, you will examine the functions of various Git commands and how to manage Git branches using commands. Branches allow you to work on features, experiments, or fixes independently in a structured and organized manner. The Git branching workflow is crucial in version control and collaboration when working on software development projects. The workflow allows the teams to work on different features, bug fixes, or experiment in isolation without disrupting one another's code. Let us now focus on how to efficiently use Git commands to facilitate the branching workflow process. To do so, first, let us clone the repository so that you can have a copy of that repository on your local machine. Navigate to the GitHub repository, then click Code and copy the URL under the HTTPS section in the terminal window and change to the target directory when you want to create a copy of the repository. Run the git clone command with the repository URL. Once you have the copy, you can create branches, make changes, and sync those changes. Change to the directory that was cloned. Now, let us focus on the git branch command. Run the git branch command, followed by the desired branch name, to create a new branch so that you can work on it without impacting the main code. Let's say that to create a branch named patch1 adding headers, you will execute git branch patch1 adding headers. The new branch created will be a copy of the branch you are currently on. Note that you will not be taken to the newly created branch automatically. To switch to branch patch1 adding headers, use the git checkout patch1 adding headers command. Now that you are on branch patch1 adding headers, you can make your changes. While on the patch1 adding headers branch, let's say you add a header, such as welcome to KIV, to your index.html file. Next, run the git status command to check the status of your working directory. This will highlight the modifications made to your index.html file. To stage the changes in your patch1 adding headers branch, execute the git add index.html command. This command will specify that the changes are now ready to be committed. You can finally run the git commit -m command with the message added header to save your changes. The -m in the git commit command adds a message to your changes. Now, the changes in the index.html file are part of your patch1 adding headers branch's history. Let us now focus on merging the patch1 adding headers branch with the main branch. To do so, firstly, switch back to the main branch by running the git checkout main command. By doing so, you are no longer on the patch1 adding headers branch. Now, run the git merge patch1 adding headers command. This command will integrate your changes from the patch1 adding headers branch into the main branch. The header change from patch1 adding headers is now incorporated into the index.html file located in the main branch. To make these changes accessible in your remote repository, use the git push-u origin main command. This command will push the main branch, including the changes merged from the patch1 adding headers branch, to your remote repository. Finally, run the git status command to ensure the changes have been made and the branch is up to date. That's it! You have come to the end of this video. In this video, you learned how to effectively work with branches using Git commands. You started by listing branches with the git branch command, then created the patch1 adding headers branch using the git branch patch1 adding headers command. Then, you switched to the new branch using git checkout patch1 adding headers command, made and staged changes using git status, git add index.html, git commit -m commands, and finally, merged patch1 adding headers with the main branch using git checkout main and git merge patch1 adding headers. You concluded this exercise by pushing the main branch to your remote repository using git push-u origin main.